Stepping out of the ring. Understanding an English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, out of the ring. This expression has a fascinating background and various uses in everyday English. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms and phrases, you're in the right place. Let's unpack the meaning and usage of out of the ring together. The phrase out of the ring originally comes from the world of boxing or wrestling. In these sports, a ring refers to the designated area where the contest takes place. Being out of the ring literally means a fighter has moved or been forced outside of this designated area. This can happen during a match for various reasons, such as being pushed by an opponent or stepping out by accident. Beyond its literal meaning, out of the ring is used metaphorically in everyday English. When someone says they're out of the ring, they might mean they are stepping back from a competitive situation, conflict, or challenging circumstance. It implies a temporary or permanent withdrawal from an area of struggle or competition. Example 1. Professional context. In a professional context, saying, "I'm stepping out of the ring," could mean someone is taking a break from intense competition in their career. Perhaps they're going on a sabbatical, leaving a highly competitive job, or even retiring. Example 2. Personal situations. On a personal level, someone might use the phrase to indicate they're withdrawing from a contentious or stressful situation. For example, if two friends are arguing about something and one decides not to engage further, they might say, "I'm out of the ring on this one," meaning they're choosing not to continue the argument. The key to using and understanding the phrase, out of the ring, correctly lies in the context. It's important to listen to or identify the speaker's tone and the situation they're referring to. This will help you grasp whether they're using the phrase literally, less common nowadays, unless discussing sports, or metaphorically. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, out of the ring. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and how it can be used both literally and figuratively. English is full of such idioms that enrich our conversations and allow for creative expression. Remember, understanding the context is key to mastering these phrases. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.